So, welcome again to the office. Video 4. Hope you enjoyed video 3 of more of the hardware setup in the car. Some interesting stuff. Just after looking at it again there myself, and a few interesting things on it. As you can see, a bit of a mess here at the minute, but this is what I said earlier on. It's ECU I got off eBay, Italy. It's basically an ECU out of a, I don't know you see, out of a 1.9. As you see, the numbers, the Bosch numbers, and most of the numbers are the same except for the hardware number, the HW number. I believe this is just a slight revision number they had inside Bosch for hopefully just slight upgrades inside the ECU for maybe different transistors or something, but I think the principal hardware numbers are the same. The Bosch numbers, the 0281 number, which is what usually Bosch go off for the hardware numbers. So basically, this is the plan: is that I'm going to take the original ECU, pull all the data out of it, and then clone it into this ECU, and then it means that anything I do from now on, I don't have to worry about wrecking the original ECU, because it obviously is a one-off. I can't just get the software from Rover, and so that's the plan. It means I can put it in a box, put it away safely in storage, and I can just use this for any kind of testing and ECU modification I want to do, and coding, etc. So that's what I'm planning to do. Hopefully I don't run into any problems with immobilizer stuff. I'm hoping if I do a full, they call it a full read off the ECU board and do a full copy of cloning, which is quite a common thing nowadays, and we should be okay. I'm hoping so anyway. We'll soon find out. I'm going to link on to a video I did on the diagnostics side of things. I'll probably put it in here now, but it's basically me run through the diagnostics side on the car, and a couple of interesting things come up on that as well. So I'll put this on there. So keep watching. I'm working away, and yeah, we'll maybe have some more info on the ECU. The actually battery died in the laptop, so I wasn't able to pull the ECU files off, but I'll probably do it tomorrow. I'll have a look at the map and see exactly what way it is mapped. So that's what we'll do today, and please, if you have any questions, any comments, leave them below the video, and I'll try and answer them. Thanks. So just to follow up on earlier there, we've got the diagnostics plugged in now. We're in under Fiat Bravo. It's basically, well, there's a few use the same ECU, but it's 16C39CF4. So I'll just run through the numbers here. So that's basically just a random number. You've got system name, obviously, C39CF4. You've got Fiat drawing number, whatever that means, but there's a Fiat drawing number. Hardware number for the ECU, that's just a random. This here is quite interesting, the software number. Looks like they've actually named it MGR. So as you can see, MGR version 1. Programming date 2002, 20th of February 2002.
Not supported.
Yeah. So yeah, quite interesting. We've got quite a few fault codes. That first one I believe is mobilizer rated. That's familiar to me. That's 16601. That's, like I said, I think the ECU would be demobilized because it will not be able to talk to anything else. Got protector filter, a few other things. Again, the car doesn't have. I don't think the CAN bus will be connected up, so there's CAN bus errors. Glue plug module again, I don't think it has a glue plug module. A few other things, vehicle speed. I can't seem to get any communications with the ABS module. There is an ABS unit on the car, but it's very hard to see without starting to strip stuff out. So we might do that at some stage. We'll see when we pull some part numbers off it and see exactly what it is. But yeah, I thought it was quite interesting. So that's what's now. I'm going to try and pull the file at the EC now and maybe get a look at it and see what it is. What it has. Okay.